Alright guys, we are back today with a trailer light review video and installation here. So, the company Nilight reached out to me to see if I wanted to make a video on any of their products. And a lot of my cars have LED lights, so I found the next best thing here. I actually picked out a set of LED trailer lights here. As you can see here, we do have some older halogen bulbs on this trailer. This trailer is from 2009, so the tail lights are going on almost 15 years old now at this point. So I figured the trailer itself is actually in super good shape. So I actually just put new wheels and tires on it, and I just painted it all up. It looks really good. But now let's go ahead and actually upgrade the lighting on the thing, because trailer lighting, as you guys know, if you guys have had trailers or something like that, the wiring gets old and brittle and it starts to crack. Much like this one right here. So as you can see, it's kind of been taped up throughout the years and it's all getting kind of brittle and stuff. So the casing's kind of cracked and all that. So figured let's do a replacement on the lights. Obviously they still work, but figured a nice upgrade would work. And this kit is the TL41 kit. There will be a link in the description, so if you want to check it out, go ahead for it. I think it's a pretty good value, honestly, for what you get here as far as the lighting itself. Now, as you can see, opening the box here, this is a license plate bracket. And we do have some amber lights, probably for up front there. So these are probably going to take the place of these reflectors right here. Or I'll put these lights, I'll somehow put these lights right here, but we'll figure out, we'll mount it up, we'll retrofit something up here. So we do have these two amber lights right here. There's two little bolt holes to drill. And here's the wiring harness, of course. Probably use these to solder these together. Then all your your other clamps and stuff, we'll get that all sorted out in a minute here. But kind of the big thing here, and what the purpose of this video is to pretty much showcase these lights. As you can see, they are halo LED lights. I think they will look pretty cool for trailer lights. Well, they're built, they feel pretty solid. So as you can see down here at the bottom, they do have a little hole for the water to drain out. Say you have a boat trailer or something like that, that is pretty much the purpose of that. But taking off the covering here, again, they're just brand new lights. Looks like this will be a right-hand light, but looking at it, a little more sleek. So than this, and this one's the bulb sticking out, but you get the point. It's pretty much a direct replacement. You have the two screws back here. They will butt up just like that. So it's a direct replacement for them. So what you're gaining here is obviously brighter lights, a more sleeker profile. And again, you have the halo rings with the LEDs, so they're going to be nice and crisp. Just a nice modern upgrade. So you also get some reflectors. Maybe we'll stick these somewhere on the trailer. I mean, we have plenty of lighting going on here, but we might do something with those. And then, of course, this is going to be the left side, and there's going to be a bracket to mount the license plate. We're not going to use that, as I have a different remedy for my license plate, but you do have the LED under there as well. As you can see, those LEDs in there. So it looks like it's as of the unboxing, it's a pretty nice package. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the before of the lights, and we'll get a be after and all that stuff. I'll kind of keep you updated on how it goes here, but this is the initial unboxing. We also have some installation instructions if you need it right there. So guys, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, here is the before the stock tail lights, and they get the job done. They work pretty good. Nothing really wrong with them, but they are incandescent bulbs. So as you can see, they aren't as, per se, crispy as the ones on the car there. So like I said, with the new ones, they should be pretty nice. But there's the kind of the before of them. Nothing too special though, just some trailer lights. Alright guys, so a little bit of a change of plans here with the wiring. I'm not going to use the supplied wiring here, just because with the factory wiring, I did say it was a little bit brittle, but it's brittle up top, so I'll explain to that in a minute here. But from the factory, the wiring's ran real nice. It's nicely tucked under the frame. I really don't want to get into that, and it is actually covered in some rubber, and this one isn't. But we're going to use bits and pieces of this to kind of put it together. So as far as that goes, I'm going to cut the wires right here. I'm going to splice the new light on. And it looks like we have to ground it as well. I'm assuming probably because it's LED. But we're going to go ahead and get that started here, and I'll get back with you. We'll try it out and see what it looks like kind of next to the old one there. And like I had mentioned earlier in the first half there, this is all kind of it's seen better days. So I'm actually going to go ahead and cut this off somewhere along the lines down here. And I'm just going to resolder the new plug up top, and we'll have a nice new plug. And again, we'll kind of keep all the old wiring that isn't cracked, but it is still covered in this weather stripping stuff. So I think this will definitely hold up a little bit better over time, but we're still going to use the main hardware here. So yeah. All right, guys, so we wired up the new light right there, and that's the old stock one, as you can see. And you'll see how much faster this one kind of syncs with the turn signal light. That one's just a little bit behind, but we'll go ahead and hit the unlock here and show you. So much more responsive, and obviously it's cool that it's a halo ring because it just looks a lot better too. But yeah, there it is. There's the product there. We're only about 25% done with this whole project, but hopefully we can somehow find a way to get those ambers put on as well. Alright guys, so I kind of ran out of time last night, but anyways, we're back the next day, and I pretty much wrapped up the rear taillights over there, and I moved over to the amber lights right here. So I was kind of on the fence whether or not I was going to use them, but I figured I would use them instead of having this reflector right here. I took that off. It's just a regular reflector, so I took that off and I put it in its place, and I wired it up. As you can see right there, it comes on with all the lights. So what I had to do was I actually ended up just putting a ground right there and then running this power wire to the yellow wire on the trailer harness with this little clip right here. So I just tapped into that, and there we go. We have power to that light. So I'm going to go ahead and actually secure this down now with a bolt, and we'll get started on the next side. Though the next time I'm going to have to actually drop a line and run it over here because this is the only wire that's on the trailer. There's nothing on the left side. So I'm going to go ahead and actually get into this side right there, and show you the finished product. Alright guys, so we are finally done with the wiring on the trailer. There are the completed lights with the halo rings. So overall, pretty easy kit to install. As you can see, the lights are on right there with the vehicle. And the amber lights up front are added as well. So far so good. This is just the initial though video. So we'll find out what they look like and how they work when we tow them. I don't suspect any issues, but yeah guys, recommend the kit. Check it out. I'll drop the link below. They look pretty good. They're a nice modern upgrade. And that's really all there is to it, guys. Just basic trailer light installation. So you get your license bulb under there as well. I haven't really decided what I'm going to do with those. Probably won't use these, but anyways guys, just a quick video on the trailer lights. So guys, go check them out. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to y'all later.